Okay guys, so this is going to be a really brief video looking at one specific program that can do a very cool thing. So you may notice I have this background, and this background image has some very specific colors like teal blue, some oranges, some reds, and some darker blues. So you can see that when I run a terminal and I actually execute this fetch command, and this could be any fetch command like neofetch, or in this case paleofetch, or a screen fetch I believe is another one. You can see I am getting or I am using this color palette that is actually like it's the same as the background, and that's a really cool thing, isn't it, right? But the thing is, if you want to have this done every time you change your background, that is a mess. If you have to manually change the colors of your terminal emulator each time you change your background, that could be a real mess. And so here comes in handy a program called WAL, and I believe it has now a successor called PyWall, written in Python. So what does this program do? It's really simple. It extracts some colors of your background image and it injects them into your terminal theme. So let me show you an example of this program working. As you can see, the invocation is wall, or could be pywall, and let me actually use the astronaut, and that's an image I like. So as you can see, what this program does is it extracts the colors of your background, and let me actually show you better this background. As you can see, it has its colorful background, and it will try to extract some colors. So now, as you can see, all the colors of the terminal have changed, and it also changed the background automatically. And for instance, let us actually execute another one with the EV background, EV, and as you can see, this has some more vibrant colors. For instance, it has yellow, green, and some lighter colors. And as you can see, a wall will actually work with any background image, and it's not perfect, but you can, if you really like one and you want to have that color theme, you can get it and then you can tweak it. And actually some distros like the one I have here, and this is Garuda, it will actually go ahead and run a command that I believe, okay, so let me see into here, and it will run a command that when the system starts, and this is qtile, so when qtile starts, it will get the colors, and actually what this and let me actually throw here. So what this script does is it actually gets some random wallpaper, and I don't like those wallpapers in this directory, but you can change it for whatever directory you have with some nice wallpapers. And I got this, let me actually show you what are the wallpapers I have, and these are those, and these are from Reddit, from the subreddit, from the wallpaper subreddit. So if you want to get some nice wallpapers, you can actually find them there. So what this actually will do is select some custom wallpaper of your system, some random wallpaper of a chosen directory, and then it will run WAL over it. So, and this is really this is nice, because if you have, let's say, if you do a lot of editing, for instance, if you write software in Vim, or you use some other kind of you work a lot with the terminal, it can get boring, right? And I believe this is a good way into liking more the terminal, and this is like dynamic customizing the terminal. And yeah, I hope this was helpful, and if you have any suggestions or any comments, leave them down below.